Good morning. I had a young man named Arthur Taylor. He lives in North Carolina. He had been calling me the last few days to explain to me how he wants to help, right? But he ain't got a driver's license. He's got a truck, but he's scared to drive it, right? Hey, guess, and this morning he popped up early and told me, he said, well, I guess I could get some family members to shuttle me around. And that's when I told him, hey, Arthur, you're a grown-ass man. No one has time to shuffle you around, right? People are in need. That means that their needs need to be met and not yours. And then he fucked around and he said this after I told him that. Because I wasn't going to make a video about him, but you can bet your ass I am now, Arthur. He said, fuck them people in North Carolina. Now, he lives in North Carolina. He said, they need people with driver's license. And Arthur, I want to tell you something. You've never been more correct in your life. They need people with driver's license. But the other part is this. Hey, fuck you, Arthur. And if you got a problem with it, or if any of you weak motherfuckers got a problem with it, my address and my phone number shows up after this video. That's where I live. Come talk to me about it. Because you grown-ass men that have seen my videos where I'm saying, hey, if you would like to volunteer, if you would like to be of assistance, if you would like to give, here is the pictures. Here is the places I've been. This is me and my family doing what we're doing. Y'all have called me to tell me how you're down on your life. You don't have a job. You don't have gas money. You don't have this. Did any fucking part of that strike you that I was a fucking counselor? That I signed up to listen to your fucking sad, pitiful, bullshit fucking story? Like, Jason's phone was open. Let me call him and tell him how the fuck I don't measure up. Do I look like I'm that motherfucker? At 6 o'clock in the fucking morning, going to the gym, fucking around with a video about you because you don't fucking measure up. You're the fucking problem. The people in North Carolina, Tennessee, and Florida, and New Mexico, they are not the fucking problem. Their houses have been blown down to fucking valleys. Their fucking families have been fucking dead, buried, not found. The car's gone, nothing to eat. And you're calling me and wanting to tell me, I lost my job. Bitch, McDonald's is hiring. Wendy's, Lowe's. You just don't want to go to work. You're too important. And that in itself is what's fucking wrong with America. You don't understand how you need to start at the bottom and save to get to the top. Motherfucker, I came out of fucking prison. 27 years fucking total supervision. And fucking, I fucking deliver every fucking day. Right? I've been so mad because I've not worked out in 2 days because I've been sick as fuck. You don't understand how bad. And then I got to stop and make a video before the gym about y'all's punk asses because y'all think I'm a watch line because you need someone to verify that you're a pussy. Well, listen here. You're a pussy. Okay? These are not disabled men. These are not men. Matter of fact, I got men with disabilities that are on fixed incomes that have given me $100 fucking dollars. And can get in a car and go to, but you sorry motherfuckers, and there is a lot of you, right? And boy, I hope this drop kicks you right in the balls. Because every one of you motherfuckers are like this. I'll be there. I got your 6. Where's the battle at? When we all going to get together? I'm there for my family. I'm body. Bitch, you ain't about shit. You ain't even got a driver's license. You ain't got a job. Matter of fact, you're negating my fucking time with your sad story thinking that what? I'm going to come fucking sprinkle some fucking dust on you and fix your fucking weak ass? No, you got to fix your weak ass. I've been there. I verified. I checked. Fact check me. I was the sorriest motherfucker with a dick. But you know what fixed me? Tough times. And I'm just another tough motherfucker in your face saying that you're weak. And you need to fix yourself. You need to fucking fix your fucking self and quit thinking that somebody's going to fix you. No one's coming to save you, motherfuckers. And the only time you'll be of any value is to pull your fucking pants up right there, up around this thing right here, and fucking go to work and fix yourself so you can be of service to each other. That way, when you talk, at least people will believe you, because I don't believe a fucking thing y'all got to say. Not one thing. Show me, man. This ain't fucking Missouri. This is Arkansas. Where we're not just the show me state. We're the show me the state, motherfucker. Show me, motherfucker. Put fucking English.